In the last video, we were able to start our presentation and pick a theme. And now that we have our title slide, I'm going to discuss a little bit about what slides we're going to make in our presentation today and the importance of why we're making them. So as we make this title slide, I really want to just share what my presentation is going to be about. And that is the purpose of this title slide today. Then what we're going to do is we can add more slides by going to either the Home tab where you can see New Slide here, or you can also insert a new slide here. So you'll see this option to drop down and see all of the slides that you can insert. And our next slide is going to be a title and content slide. So this is going to give you a title text box and then anywhere where you want to type text or insert photos. And this slide is going to be my introduction slide. So I'm going to share a little bit about Natalie's garden and maybe add a picture. So to add a picture, we can also insert pictures. And then I'll do a picture from a file on my computer. And now I have, let's go to my desktop and use picture one. And now we have this picture that's been inserted. Now this picture inserted in the text box that I had, so we'll have to insert a new text box to put text in. But for right now, we can move this picture off to the side. You can again adjust it by using these boxes on the side of your text or on the side of your picture. And let's just leave that right there for now. So this is a picture well, this is a stock photo, but this can be a picture of Natalie's garden. And now I am going to add a text box. So we're going to go to the Insert tab. And when you press the Insert tab, we'll go all the way over here to Text Box. Now we have the option to drag where we want our text box to be. And here is our text box. So I'm going to add some text that I want to share about Natalie's garden. And maybe I want to add some bullet points where I can talk off of what I want to share with the group. So I'll say we can add bullet points by going to the Home tab, if you can see right here, and then we're going to move over to the bullet icon. You can also select your bullet points here. So I am going to select these basic bullet points and I'll type a few things. Another thing that you can edit on your PowerPoint slide is the spacing. So everything looks really bunched up in this corner right now, and I really want to space out some of my bullet points. So I'm going to select the text that I want to space out a little bit more. And then again, we are on the Home tab in our toolbox, and we're going to go over to the spacing icon right here. Press down, and then I'm just going to move it to 1.5. So now you can see that this text has been spaced out a little bit, and now it's taken up a little bit more room on my slide.